What are you doing, Sid? Did you want to see what I'm doing here? Come here. I'm Colwen. How's it going, guys? This is Sid. He's my computer-rated droid. Let's see here. I am right now working on something called a T-slot cleaner. You see, you can't see it right now, but over there I have a milling machine, and part of a milling machine is they got these little slots in it called T-slots, and I've got my material here, and I'm cutting out this shape here. So I'm gonna turn on my bandsaw. So I'm going to pause working for a moment just to demonstrate something, okay? Now, don't always do this. I should not do this, okay? But as you can see, the back side, no sharp blade. The side, no sharp blade. This right here kind of really isn't sharp as I just touch it like this. But when it gets spinning at like 1,000 RPMs a second, that becomes basically a razor blade, all right? This whole contraption here is actually a portable bandsaw. We just got mounted on a table mounting right now so that we could use it as a vertical or a horizontal. Now, don't do this at home. As you can see, I'm fine. I'm not going to get right up on it. But, you know, so here I've got my part. I've notched it all the way through. I'm going to turn this thing back on, and I'm going to cut from this line into here, and you're going to see how quickly I notch off all this stuff here. It's going to be really, really cool looking. All right. Wait for it! Wait for it! God, the suspense is killing me! And there we go. It is a very, very hot piece right now. Literal hot potato. Hot potato. It's no creme-lec, is it? Is that what it's called? God, it's a creme-lec me. Stab me in my hand. Oh, God. No, I have not seen Orville. Not a whole lot of it. But now we've got this really, really rough edge here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to actually probably come back in here with the belt sander again and work this piece down a little bit more. I need to carve all this stuff out. But for right now, I'm going to stop recording, and I'll come back in when I'm starting to file down some stuff some more. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. And here I've got my finished T-slot cleaner. I've already taken it to the belt sander, and I've ground off all the rough stuff, and I've trimmed off everything. And this is for, again, on the T-slots, for getting into there and cleaning out all the crud underneath. So